teaching them to observe all things whatsoever I have commanded you. And lo, I am with you always, even unto the end of the world. Amen. Thu kapek zong zong che upom turin zirtir ro tin ngai te u kei kum khua in khovel top thleng po in hne na ka om zelang ati a khovel top thleng po in I suwa chu kan hne na a om zelang lalpan mal som chero se. Amen.